Canva AI is a game changer. It combines design, content, image generation, video branding, and even code. No need to jump between tools like Photoshop, ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Premiere Pro. In this video, we will show you how to use full power of Canva AI to create designs, generate content, and even produce videos. All in just a few clicks. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, these tips will save your hours and boost your creativity instantly. So let's start. Here in Canva, when you open Canva templates, here you can see variety of templates available in Canva. You can use any of these as per your need. We have a search box. Here in the search box, last button is Canva AI. We have some other options as well in Canva AI. Like here you see design for me, create an image, draft a doc, code for me, and create a video clip. You can create all these things with the use of Canva AI. So let's give a prompt here using design for me. Like I write here, create social media post. It will instantly create few posts for us. You can see these posts it had created instantly. Once these posts were created, you can edit any template. Like let's select this one, and suppose we want to customize this, so use Canva editor. Using this you can edit, you can replace text, you can replace image, or whatever you want. Let's come back to this screen, and now we create social media. When you click on social media, it has different formats. Check this design for me and click on create an image. You can write here prompt to generate image. You just have to write it in simple English language, like a car sitting on the table. Like you can give this kind of prompt. It can be having some spelling mistake, but it will correct automatically. Like you can see here, it has generated few images. You can select any of these and download, or you can open it in editor and you can customize that as well when you open it in editor. Now click on style. You can see here different styles like smart, sketch color, portrait, moody, fashion. Even you have screen option as well to select. Now if you want to draft a document, you can do so as well. You just have to write prompt here. Like I write this prompt, doc for remote work guideline. It will generate remote work guideline document. When you click on that and use Canva editor, you can edit that document as well. You can customize any text, heading, and other things of the document. As per your personal choice of text, you can edit text and modify the document. Nowadays, you can even do coding through Canva as well. Like if you want to create a food ordering system where customers can browse food items and they can add it to their cart, so that also you can do. Like once you give prompt in simple English, it will generate its code like this. You can see on the right side. Even you can see on right side, very impressive layout it has generated. It's having items, then prices, add to cart button, item name, description, and other things with the brand style of color. You can add items to cart to check its working behavior as well, like this. Even you have options to generate grocery list builder, interactive certificate, biology quiz. When you click on biology quiz, it will be having this prompt. When you press this button, it will generate code for this. So it's generated. Now you can see it's having variety of options. Biology quiz for students is generated. When these questions were submitted, like we have 5 questions. When you submit answer for each question, select the answer and click on next question. Once all questions were solved, it will show the score and showing the button and asking if you want to take the quiz again. So quite simple and easy process. Even you can create video clip as well with the use of Canva AI. Like we want to generate a small puppy and his owner walking in the park. You can see video has been generated quickly by Canva AI. Very impressive video. In this way you can also generate video clips using Canva AI. You can even generate images as well, just writing a simple prompt. When you click on create an image, write a prompt like a rat and turtle, so it will generate images like this very quickly. If you like any image, you can open it in editor and you can enhance and you can add other images as well. You can add heading like this. You can generate images. Let's add another page. Click on text and add some heading. When you click on magic write transform text, you can give here any prompt like prompt on education. It provided some prompt, so prompt has been generated. Click on add a heading. We can write some heading for this. Make it in uppercase like this. Go to elements, click on images, click on photos. You can select any photo, like I select this one. Increase its size up to the size of page. Click on edit. In Magic Studio, click on BG remover so that background will be removed. Now click on BG generator. You can write here some prompt like garden. Click on generate. It will generate image background just with the simple prompt like this. Very impressive thing. Now click on magic eraser. Let's select this phone and click on erase. You can easily erase any element from the picture using magic eraser. Now if we want to grab something, click on magic grab, and suppose we want to select this notebook and click on grab. It's selected and you can place now it anywhere within the image like this. We have other options as well like grab text, magic edit. You can write here prompt like add 3 coffee cup, and we have to select the area where we want to place that. Like I had selected these and click on generate. You can see that these cups were added to the picture. Now go to elements. Let's select this image, increase its size like this up to the size of the page. Now let's reduce its size. Click on edit, magic expand, and now when you expand, it will automatically adjust its objects accordingly. When you click on expand, these were expanded as per the picture like this. You can select among these as well and click on done. It will show like this. So Canva is quite advanced now. It has many more features, and use of AI is very helpful in creating magical things. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.